In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your Podia account display in the language you prefer. This is especially helpful if you manage your business in one language but serve customers in another, or if you simply want your dashboard and storefront interface to feel more familiar. Start by opening your Podia dashboard. This is the main home base where you manage products, customers, and settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with your navigation options. Click on Settings, and then select General. The General section is where Podia keeps core preferences that affect how your account behaves, so it's the right place to look for anything related to account-wide defaults. Inside General, find the Language option. You'll see an Edit button next to it. Click Edit to open the language controls. Podia supports a specific list of languages, and what you'll see is a drop-down menu that contains only the languages currently available on the platform. If you don't see your preferred language in the list, that means it isn't supported yet, so choose the best alternative for your needs. Now, select your preferred language from the drop-down. As you make your choice, keep in mind that this setting influences the interface text you see in Podia and, depending on your setup, may also affect customer-facing elements like checkout and parts of your storefront. It's a good idea to think about the language your audience uses most. If you run a multilingual business, consider aligning this setting with the primary language your customers expect to see when they visit your site or receive system-generated content. Once you've chosen the language you want, click Save to apply the change. Give the page a brief moment to update. In many cases, the interface will refresh and display in your newly selected language right away. If you don't notice the change immediately, try refreshing your browser tab to ensure everything reloads correctly. Also, if you manage multiple browser profiles or use extensions, a quick refresh helps the new setting take effect consistently across your workspace. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings, open General, edit the language option, pick your language, and save. It's a small adjustment that can make your daily workflow smoother and your customer experience more consistent. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat the same steps and save again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working in the language that suits you best.